Hello, let's have a look at how to use JDBC as a data source. First, we add the JDBC component. We provide the JDBC URL to the database and the type of driver. Then the username, the password, and the variable. Finally, the SQL query. Next, we iterate over this collection. So first thing that we're doing is adding a comment showing the product name. And product name is the name of the column. Then we perform a GET to our demo API. And this API requires an ID parameter that we will provide here using our JDBC structure. At this point, we can add assertions. And we can run it. As you can see, we got our JDBC call, the comment, then the GET, and the assertions, and the ID is 511, and then we get another call for the ID 611, and then the assertion.